All right, good morning. Here's the SPY. Take a look at the daily. We had the 8:30 this morning. It's a little bit after 9 right now. We had the jobless claims, initial claims better, continuing claims better than expected. So two things looking better than they were expecting. So what's the issue here? Nothing. This was already known basically, and the algo shows it. Not really allowing the share price to get above this downtrend ray. So let's go down the 1 minute chart. So let's look for an 8 o'clock reset here. There it is, right? Yeah, boom, right there, came down. This is what? This is them making the move before the data because they know what it is. 8:15. So 8:30 is here. All right, and now we're getting a slower response. All right, so let's see what we got coming off the high here. Is this equal? Yeah, basically. So let's see what. So that one's probably there, and then from this one we got that. This is definitely one here. Right there, see how it comes down. So here it is, comes down, breaks out, tests, moves sideways. So there's probably one more in here that they're using right now to use. Yeah, see this right here? Now there's one right there. So it comes down, higher low set, busts out, comes down even more, tests right here, now moving sideways. Question is when do they want to start the uptrend? They haven't started it yet, really. I mean, there's a small grind going up off the bottom of this right here, but it's pretty weak. You can see it though, right there. So here's some resistance. Right around here, yep. Now she'll probably come up, grind down a little bit more, and then move out. But anything in the RSI? No. Q's probably got hit. Yeah, Q's got hit or a little bit worse, as always. So this is their 8 o'clock. That's a long way from being okay. She's moving out though too. Okay. Anything for healthcare? Wow, that just moved big. Just chopping around. This is garbage. Alright, we'll have to wait for that one. That's where you're going to put it to me? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Trend Spider. I gotta get my hotkeys back up and running. Look at practice them again. Make this quicker. Nothing there. Nothing in the healthy dividends really looking great. There might be some setups in here, but I'll look for the healthy dividends when we break to new lows or break that uptrend that we're working on right now. That reminds me, I don't think I have ORTX in here. Let's add that. There's a bunch of names I gotta add to this. Not that they're really officially in BioBoom, but they're very close to being in. I know Orchard had updated that they are submitted IND for, yeah, there it is. So wow, what did I just do? There we go. That's a big move. Good volume, but they're ready to go. They're IND for their second gene therapy, MP and MPS, myelodysplastic syndrome. But anyway, it's an opportunity. Keep an eye on it, because they'll probably have the registrational trial done. Well, it all comes down to enrollment, but it could be a couple of years when this could be approved. Xeris had a good update this morning. I'm going to take advantage of it. They're definitely looking like they got things together. Their guidance is going to hit the top of the range. A few other things. Their projections for next year look solid. So Xeris is at the top of mine. KPTI's in there. RIGL's in there. I'm like almost reversing my, because we're just, as we start seeing these preliminary numbers from, they haven't got obviously their Q4 completely figured out yet, but they do these initial numbers right around JP Morgan, which starts up soon, I think, in this week. Typically going into it, you'll have a bunch of a lot of small guys will report their preliminary and then even give you a little bit of guidance. So the preliminary, what they got in this year, to last year, 2022, and then what they're going to expect this year. And I'm telling you, it's just, it's solid so far. Most people did not really get hurt this year, so still seeing growth out of these small names. So now they're discounted for their growth, and even discounted for their current revenue. Kano, still there. I'm still on Kano. I like AFMD. ICAD looks great here too. So basically, the guys that are moving at the top and moving at the bottom, they're all just starting this. HARP, I want to get under 70 again, but what a trade that was. And that's it. That's the example right there, which is, a great example of. It's a lot of volume for it too. Look what the anchored VWAP is. But that's a great example of just, when you have an opportunity, it spikes several 100%. I mean, sometimes it is sustainable, but when it's just a data update and it's not like a registrational trial, you're going to get a hard sell-off. And there's enough volume in here that could have stuck maybe above $1, and maybe, maybe it could have stayed above this 120, maybe stayed on top of $1, but I mean, you have a lot of people washing out up here too. $2, people booking profits from down here. Now it's coming back, and I'm sure a lot of people down here got out. So maybe they're looking to get back in. They're like, hey, that was a nice little, well, like just like me, it's like a nice little profit, but at the same time, there might not be a lot of them coming back. They might be like, that's it, walking away. Some people, like when they get on a hot table at the, like they got their winnings, walk away type of thing. I do it once in a while, especially when I feel like I dodged a bullet. I don't think I dodged a bullet there. It was just a great opportunity. Anyway, sorry, I'm talking too much. Man, I took advantage of this, but I definitely timed it wrong. I really thought we were gonna run into a wall right around. It was poking itself out, but the volume was enough to push her to the top of the Keltner channel. I don't have a sell target for a while. Did she get? Yeah, she squeezed just above the high there. Look at that. So, very nice. I got nothing except mostly, I would say mostly BioBoom. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to try to get this out. It's going to take a while. Like, again, it's just sometimes the uploads on the algorithms and computers just don't move through investing videos as quick as they usually do. The review process and upload process is a little slower versus just, you know, nonsense YouTube content. Yeah. All right. So Xeris, KPTI, Rigel, VSTM is a good one too. MPLN, I'm keeping an eye on. AQST. Zyme is looking pretty good too. Where's my boy Zyme? Is that on here? Do I have Zyme? Zyme should be on here. Uh-oh. Do I not have Zyme in here? There it is. It's like you've been in the portfolio for a long time. She's above sell one though. Yeah. Just starting to look strong. So maybe if I can get it down below 650, I might take a shot at it. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Good luck. Stay healthy. Really gonna wait and see what the market wants to do. This week is I'm not feeling confident, but I mean the angle of attack definitely tells me to the downside. I mean, this is all we got right now. This is the only line of defense. So you see a bunch of long wicks. I mean, we got some coming up off the bottom, but I don't know. This might get ugly. Anyway, good luck.